Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's recap some Bitcoin. So Bitcoin pulled back into rotation zone on the daily. When we switch over, we will see that right to just in front of the 37.5% retracement and dipping below the 50-period EMA and then closing repeatedly above it, triggering this nice little double bottom pattern, which gave it three targets. You see 92.67, pretty much dead close on it, pulling back to the 50 again. So these were all completed. That was a nice high probability entry system. Let me switch over to daily really quick just so you see. You see right into the rotation zone on the daily. There's that 37.5 level and rotating back up, closing for the day right on that level. So we can remove those. Let's switch back to 4 hour now again. 4 hour, then going from that same low to that high, swing high. Then gave us the 94.72 and 95.63, which we ran up to 95.63, then closed on the 94.72. Now pulling back again, we can update those levels. Now into the rotation zone. So next major level is coming up to 96.79. Then we're essentially watching for a return to the highs. And this little cluster area, 97.93, 97.67, 97.93, or essentially 9,800. So right now, holding on the rotation zone, watch for rotation back up. That's another entry. If it does break through here, key support recently has been the 50, so you can watch for 9,000 to about 9,034 being key support to the downside. Let's switch in on, let's check in again on the daily chart. Daily chart. So once we get above those levels, then there's the 200s coming in about this 98.90, so 9,900. Then 10,013, 10,000, 10,144, then 10,521 on the next levels. You see the 8s also right above this 9,013, so this is very key support. If we were to break that and have another big pullback on the daily chart, you have the 50, the 21, and the 37.5, so about 8,600 to 8,637 is going to be very, very key support on the daily. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also pulling down, triggering a double bottom pattern, finally getting above. This one has, it actually did complete now, 697. That was the full target on it. So you see coming up here, getting to the first profit target, coming back, dipping below, just below the rotation zone, rotating back up, hitting the next level up, this 697.90. So that is all complete. We can then take these targets. So you could have used them to also, if you were not trading that double to the target, so you had the 683 pulling back, then you could have gone up here to the, and look at the 698, hit, pull back. So then you're looking essentially returning to the highs. At this point, we can update them to here, which gives us a major cluster again at the highs, this 712 level. And if we post through, that actually reinforces this other level of 726 right here. So holding on the rotation zone in the 12.5% levels, looking for that rotation back up right now. If we do break down below that, the next key support is at 644. Let's switch over to the daily chart and really see how this looks also. So daily chart, that was a nice pullback. Here's where we got that double pullback in the rotation zone, rotation back up, holding the rotation zone really nice. So key pullback right now would be about 641 on the daily, 647 right here. If we did drop below it, major support coming in at the 50 and the rising 21 at about 586 to 590. So next push higher, let's just double check the levels. We had 726, 740, 756, then eventually 800 are the key GAN levels higher. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.